On behalf of the Oromo community of Denver and its members who reside in Colorado's 6th Congressional District, it's a great honor to welcome you to Colorado for the 2018 Oromo Sports Federation of North America Soccer Tournament and 5K Run for Humanitarian Support at Thornton High School from July 21st through July 28th. Welcome to Colorado. I'm glad to see the Oromo community of Denver hosting this year's annual Oromo Soccer Tournament. The Oromo community of Denver played a significant role in the fight against injustice in Ethiopia, and together we defeated the efforts of the Ethiopian government to block the resolution in Congress. Working hand in hand with Oromo communities around the country, along with other Ethiopian communities, we passed House Resolution 128, the Respect for Human Rights and Encouraging Democracy and Inclusive Governance in Ethiopia resolution in the United States House of Representatives. Also, it's great to see the Oromo community of Denver take initiative to organize the 5K run to raise awareness about the ongoing humanitarian situation in Ethiopia. These great initiatives must be supported by every community because providing humanitarian support for those in need is truly an American value. Again, welcome to our great state of Colorado, and we look forward to seeing you there. Galatoma.